Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bunge. This is ticker BG. Bunge is in the agricultural sector, and as you can see if I zoom out here, it's in a nice strong uptrend that started at the end of July. We're above all the major moving averages here, but we are still under the all-time high from back here in April. Back here around April of 2022. So that's a pretty clear level of resistance there. But I'm interested to know if Bunge wants to retest those highs. That's about 12.5% from where it is right now. Now, if I zoom in here to the chart again, you can see that Bunge is in a nice tight range of consolidation. We have resistance right around that 116 level, and we have support right down here at around 110. Now, I don't have the Bollinger Bands on this chart right now, but if I put on Bollinger Bands like that, it's magic. You can see that Bunge is in a bit of what Dan Fitzpatrick calls a squeeze. Now, delete these lines just so you can see the Bollinger Band lines. But a squeeze is, when you have tight price action and the Bollinger Bands get closer and closer together. Now, I typically want to see this at least under 5%, and that's where Bunge is. And so we want to look for a breakout of that squeeze coming on higher than average volume. And you can see when it breaks above, like it did back here in June and July, when it does get above and stay above and do it on good volume, it can nicely track up that 8-day exponential period moving average. So that's what I would look for here on Bunge. Maybe have an alert on this stock right around that 116 level, maybe just below, and look for a strong move through that level coming on higher than average volume. So that's just one of like 30 different things that I'm looking at tonight for our premium members at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what else we got cooking, definitely check us out. Take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.